Two security giants, Avira and Trend Micro, step into the spotlight. Which one really delivers? On the left, Avira, lightweight protection, effortless security. And on the right, Trend Micro, smart defense with robust web protection. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect.
Picture this mind map, where we break things down. Core security, performance impact, features, value and pricing, user experience, platform support, and user ratings. Yeah, we're covering it all. Sort of like giving each product a thorough vibe check. First up, core security. So Avira is kind of famous for having strong malware detection. You're covered against ransomware too, but no built-in firewall, and it can let some advanced threats slip by. Now, Trend Micro, oh, and here's something cool. Their anti-malware and anti-phishing engines are top tier. They shine with defending against zero-day attacks, and their real-time protection is solid. It's not flawless, though. There's no full two-way firewall, and bizarrely, it occasionally misses rare phishing attempts. Still, if security is your absolute must-have, Trend Micro sneaks ahead here. Let's talk about performance impact. Slight pause for drama, because honestly, this is where a lot of people start getting frustrated. Avira feels nice and lightweight for most setups. Very few slowdowns unless you're still sporting a super old PC. Then, yeah, it can get a little hungry for resources, which is kinda awkward for a lightweight product. Trend Micro, actually, this one's smooth too. Not really slowing anything down, and the scan times are quick. Except, some enterprise folks say it can spike CPU usage. For most of us, it's a tie. Both are pretty friendly on your computer. Features time. Avira offers a nice password manager, some privacy tools, and safe browsing, but here's the catch. No real firewall, and system speed-up stuff is a bit limited. Moving on, Trend Micro. Now we're talking. PayGuard for secure banking. You get VPN access on premium, solid parental controls, and a big focus on web threat protection. But you want that full VPN? Gotta get the fancy suite. Also, a few extras need a hands-on setup. Overall, Trend Micro scores higher with all these smart features. You just gotta pay or tweak things a bit sometimes. Oh, and here's a little nugget. Did you know Avira started up in Germany? And Trend Micro actually began life in LA, but now chills in Tokyo. Just for those trivia fiends out there. All right, getting into value and pricing. Avira has a free plan, which is always eye-catching, and their premium's pretty affordable. Plus, there are tons of discounts floating around. Downside is you don't get as many extras bundled in. Trend Micro, flexible suite options for sure. They run deals here and there, but their premium security suite definitely isn't cheap. And honestly, their pricing info can be kind of vague unless you dig. For best bang for your buck, Avira takes this one, especially if you're watching your spending. Next, user experience. Avira's layout is super clean and easy to use. Quick setup too. Only hiccup? Those pop-ups on the free version, which, let's be honest, can get annoying. Trend Micro's dashboard is intuitive, you can customize alerts, but some bonus features are kinda hidden if you don't go hunting. Both are pretty smooth and beginner-friendly, so let's call it a tie. Platform support now. Simple, really. Both Avira and Trend Micro cover Windows, Mac, Android, iOS. So whether you're Team Apple or all about PCs, you're totally set. No winner, just a solid tie. Let's check support. Avira gives you email and tickets, an online knowledge base, plenty of self-help, but weirdly, there's no direct phone line. Trend Micro, they have live chat, phone, email, and ticket replies are pretty quick. On rare occasions, there's a bit of waiting, but overall, both are robust enough. Support showdown, another tie. Finally, user ratings. Users love Avira for those fast scans and solid web protection, but sometimes complain about resource usage. Trend Micro, big props for vulnerability protection and site safety, especially on social platforms. Though some business customers have noticed memory spikes, Trend Micro edges it out here, even if it's only by a hair. If you're visual, imagine a radar chart where Trend Micro's security and features spike up, value sits with Avira, and everything else is pretty balanced. Super helpful for seeing who's ahead and where. So, who's this for? If you're leaning toward budget but still want genuine protection, Avira's the obvious pick. Want advanced web security and extra banking protection? If you're okay spending a bit more, Trend Micro's got you covered. Honestly, think about what you value most. Still on the fence?
Need tailored security advice? Seriously, go play around with feature compare tools on Avira.com or TrendMicro.com. Nail down exactly what fits your everyday needs.